Locally owned and operated, City Excavating Incorporated has been providing commercial development and excavating services to Lansing and the Greater Lansing area for over 35 years. We are the excavating contractor of choice for projects that require dependable heavy hauling and professional excavation services. From sand, gravel, and stone hauling to complete excavation solutions, City Excavating offers a wide range of services, including site work, underground utilities, subdivision development, road and parking lot construction, site clearing, insurance work, sewer repair, and more. Our experienced team is ready to handle your project with professionalism and reliability. We are fully insured and qualified to perform all of your excavation needs. Call us now at 989-224-2482 for your free estimate.